The old Dodge Challenger sits forgotten in a dusty corner of the garage. Its orange paint is faded and rusty. Inside, the seats are cracked and dirty, and dust covers the steering wheel and dashboard. The air smells musty, and the tires are flat. The engine is still there, but it's covered in dirt and oil. The car feels like it holds memories of past adventures, now lost under years of neglect. Water pours over the dusty Dodge Challenger, creating a soft sound as it falls. The droplets glide down the car's surface, slowly washing away the layers of dirt. As the water hits, it forms shiny beads that roll off, taking the grime with them. The once dull paint begins to shine again, revealing bright colors underneath. The inside of the dusty Dodge Challenger is filled with dark surfaces and crumbs. The vacuum turns on, quickly sucking up dust and debris from the seats and floor mats, showing the clean upholstery. The brush then gently sweeps over the dashboard and console, removing fine dust from around the buttons and knobs. After the wash and detailing, the Dodge Challenger looks brand new. The outside shines with a rich color, and the wheels sparkle, looking polished and fresh. Inside, the seats are clean, the dashboard shines, and everything feels smooth. The air smells fresh, and the details, like the polished trim and clean windows, make it feel like a new car. The Challenger now looks powerful and ready to hit the road in style.